HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, so if you didn't see it, I just put on the other tail lights, so that's the last video we did, so you can go back and check that out. But now we're working on the visor. So this is the old visor, and it was, starting to tear in some spots and starting to look kind of shabby looking, and thick over here and thin there. It's just not nice, and they won't stay up for nothing. So this is the old piece here, kind of rusty and nasty, and then the plastic piece. And then look at this. These are the new pieces that Vick is making now. Look at this. The Vick Autosports has like really outdone themselves. Full polished stainless. I mean, it's super nice. So this is the other side. I've already did the driver's side. There's the reason it's out. And then look at this. Instead of the plastic piece, you get a nice polished piece on that side too. So they look really, really good. Let me show you what that looks like, and then we'll open this up. All right, guys, so here's the new one. This is the old one, and you can see it doesn't stay up. It's better than some, but this one's actually staying up. What's nice is these screws actually work. They actually pull in and tighten it up, and then you got the nice shiny pieces in here. And I probably should have repainted the screw heads because they don't look as good, but the hardware is just super nice. And all of this still works perfectly fine. Pop those down, put that back, and these are just some super nice pieces. I scratched a little bit putting it together, but super nice. So now we just get rid of this ugly plastic on this side, and this ugly one. It's gonna look good. All right, guys, so here is the other one here. So they do come with these pieces in there, and the plastic can be pulled off the end, so you don't need it, and then the metal rod has to be pulled out. So these are made to fit a few different models, things like that. So these are not needed for the 124. So we'll pull those out, and I've just been using some pliers and just pulling these out of the ends. And it's a good idea to loosen them up a little bit first, and then get those pulled out of there, and then you can use these really nice pieces here, or even the original ones if you don't want to do that. But these are super nice. All right, guys. There it is, looking good, and they actually hold, which is nice. What I've done is I've pushed them farther in to the middle, which gets them more on this clamp, and then I clamp down on these pretty hard, and it is holding them really, really good. So that's perfect. You may notice the screw is missing because one of my screws was just, somebody's been out in and out a bunch of times, just like over the years, and the threads are just almost completely gone on it. So I'm gonna find another one. I left it out for now, but it's good. I mean, it's still nice and tight. So, but those are perfect. I can flip them all the way up, go down the road. That is awesome. It's nice having nice new stuff that works. Sweet.
AMSOIL makes it easy for you to change your own oil with the ultimate oil change. Our Shop by Vehicle tool takes the guesswork out of picking the right oil and filter for your vehicle. Then choose the best product and packaging option for you from a complete list of product recommendations. And get everything you need to complete the job shipped right to your door with fast, free delivery for the protection you demand and the performance you deserve. Shop by Vehicle at AMSOIL.com.